we will do unboxing the new A+ Portable UV Sterilizer. It comes with two colors, which is white and pink. You can actually use it anyway, anytime you want, because it's portable. Let's go for the white one first. This is the instruction manual. It's very small and compact, so you can actually bring it anywhere. It's using UVC to charge up and 3 UVC LED, and comes with a side lock button. And this is a main switch on and off button, and it switch between the different mode, which is the sensor and also the permanent on. For the sensor mode, just unlock and press 2 times on the button. UVC will turn off when you turn over the device. For the permanent mode, you have to press and hold for 2 seconds. UVC will still turn on when you turn over the device. So it is very smart. UVC sanitizer is safe for skin and eyes, so no worry to use as a daily use. Portable UVC sanitizer almost can sanitize everything like your mask, your hand, EZ-Link card, table speaker, of course your personal belongings. It's very small, handy, much smaller than the mobile phone. Let's try on permanent mode. Press and hold for 2 seconds. The UVC will turn on permanently even you turn over the device. Let's try the sensor mode. Just turn it on. Click full time for the button. Flip over. You will see the current 3 LEDs turn on and turn over will turn off. A+ Portable UV Sanitizer is very small. You can put inside your handbag and also your backpack to bring along with you. I'm Andy. See you in the next video. Thank you.